Next up, we're working on the challenges in the lesson Extended Arithmetic Operators. The first challenge asks us, what's the result of the following operation? That's 5 mod 3 or 5 modulo 3. And it turns out that, right, the remainder, if we did long division and found the remainder for 5 divided by 3, the remainder would be 2. So let's go ahead and plug that in and see that it is indeed correct, which is exactly what we're looking for. Right? It's important to note here, right, that this is an integer, right? By default, these will actually return integers, right? Because quotients and remainders for floor division and modulo operations, respectively, are always going to operate on whole numbers and return integers. So that actually segues into our next question, which is what's the resulting type of the following operation, right? We're not looking for an actual answer here, so that rules out these two. Again, the value from this operation is 2. Boolean is either true, false, 0, or 1. We're out of that domain, so that's not going to be a Boolean. So I am stuck to choose between int and float. And as I mentioned, when we're doing floor division, the quotient, right, is always going to be a whole number, an integer. So that is the default behavior. I can go ahead and check that and see that it's correct. And then lastly, we're asking for the result of this expression. So if we say first, right, order of operations, take care of our parentheses. 6 mod 3, 6 is evenly divisible by 3, so this is actually equal to 0. And then we're saying 2 to the 0th power, anything raised to the 0th power is equal to 1. And then we are coercing that into a Boolean, which will be actually recognized as 1 is true, 0 is false. So let's go ahead and give true a try here, and we can see that is indeed the case. It's a little tricky with the Boolean data type, as 0, 1, false, and true are all valid Boolean expressions. So that's it for this extended arithmetic operations our operators lesson. We'll look forward to seeing you in the next lesson about assignment and incrementation.